Hi students. So yesterday we started exercise 1.4 and now we are going to solve this exercise 1.4 in the fifth question. We completed 1 to 4 questions in that. And coming to the fifth question, okay, before starting the class, of course you all know about this. So you all know my channel name. This is Be Inspired and you are the best part of YouTube learning channel. And you all know that we are solving first chapter of NCERT Maths textbook which belongs to 7th class. And that too today we are going to complete that, and we are left over with only 3 more questions to complete the chapter. Okay students, so please share, like, subscribe my channel, and students please just try it. After listening the video, you just try to keep the question in front of you and try to do in your own book. If you have any doubts, just please ping me in the comment section. Okay students, thank you so much for your support. Like this only I want your support. And coming to this class, so we'll see what is the question here given to us. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius. Students, this is not 0, Nana. This is not 0. This is not 0. This is Celsius, degrees Celsius, okay? So please don't consider that 0. Okay, the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. Means it is in a positive range. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius, and here also it is degrees. It decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight. Okay, until midnight. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? What would be the temperature at midnight? Okay, so first of all, we'll try to listen what information he given to us, and then we'll find out what is the question he's asking, and after that we will try to solve the question. Okay, so first, what information he given to us in this question is afternoon 12 o'clock the temperature was 10 degrees Celsius. Like above 0 is nothing but plus 10 degrees. To write that very clearly, I just written 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, so for 1 hour it is going to decrease by 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, means from 12 noon to after 1 hour what will come? Yes, 1 p.m. 10 minus 2 will be 8 degrees Celsius, and 2 p.m. what will happen? 8 minus 2, nothing but 6 degrees Celsius. 3 p.m. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 degrees Celsius. 4 p.m. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 degrees Celsius. And 5 p.m. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 degrees Celsius. Evening 6 o'clock, zero minus 2 is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius. Evening 7 o'clock, minus 2 is equal to minus 4 degrees Celsius. And 8 o'clock in the evening, minus 4 minus 2 is equal to minus 6 degrees Celsius. 9 o'clock night, minus 6 minus 2 is equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius. Why I am writing minus 2? Because for 1 hour it is reducing by minus 2 degrees Celsius. Minus 8 minus 2 is equal to minus 10 degrees Celsius. And 11 o'clock, minus 10 minus 2 is equal to minus 12 degrees Celsius. And 12 midnight. Minus 12 minus 2 is equal to minus 14 degrees Celsius. This is what happening here. So what question he asked now? At what time the temperature would be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? Nothing but minus 8. So where you are finding minus 8? Night 9 o'clock. And what would be the temperature at midnight? What is the temperature at midnight? Minus 14 degrees Celsius. Okay. Okay students, I'm just going to explain one more time. I'm just saying one more time. So he said very clearly that afternoon 12 o'clock the temperature was 10 degrees Celsius. And for every 1 hour from 12 o'clock onwards, the temperature is getting down. And the same thing will happen up to midnight. Like that, the temperature is going to decrease for every 1 hour, the temperature is going to decrease by 2 degrees Celsius. And until it happens midnight, means 12 o'clock. And then they are asking that from 12 o'clock to afternoon 12 o'clock the temperature was 10 degrees Celsius, And at what time the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? Nothing but minus 8 degrees Celsius, right? So for every 1 hour, the temperature is going to get it down from 10 to minus 8. When will come? At 9 o'clock in the evening we got, because for every 1 hour we are reducing to 2 degrees Celsius. Reducing is nothing but we are going to do subtraction, right? So that is the reason we done subtraction. And not only that, he asked what is the temperature at the time of midnight. So that is the reason we have to do that. And now finally we got the answer is minus 14 degrees Celsius at 12 midnight. And when I got, you can say even in this way also, the temperature at midnight is 14 degrees Celsius below zero, and the temperature will be the temperature 8 degrees Celsius below zero is at 9 o'clock in the night. Okay students, very good. Now we'll move on to the next question. We'll try to solve that also. Okay, so this is a test map. This is a class of test. Plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer, and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer, and no marks for not attempting any questions. Students, did you remember this kind of question we done already in previous exercise? The same model question. They given three friends names, like one person is attempting all correct, and one person is attempting some correct and some wrong, and some not attempted. Like that he given in all three conditions. Now here also like that only. So if I written correct answer, I'll get 3 marks. For example, if I written wrong answer, what will happen? I'm going to lose the 2 marks for that. So that is the reason we have to write only correct answers. This kind of things will happen in competitive exams. Yes, in competitive exams, this word we'll call as negative marking is there. Okay. Now we'll come to our class question. Radhika scored 20 marks if she has got 12 correct answers. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Okay, so here he given in another manner. Total how many questions are there here? Because he didn't given anything. Okay, just a second. Okay, so first of all we'll write the information, what information he given to us, and then we'll try to solve this step by step. Okay, now we will start writing. So for every correct answer we'll get, so for every correct answer we'll get 3 marks, and for wrong answer, of course you can also call it as incorrect answer, you'll get minus 2 marks. And here he given very clearly that Radhika's score is 20 marks. And correct answers, how many correct answers she given? 12 correct answers she given. So according to the question, one question carries 3 marks, one correct question carries 3 marks, 12 threes are 36 marks. So she has to get 36 marks for that. But actually she got only 20 marks. Means she has written some wrong answers. So we'll see that how many wrong answers she has to written. So what we will do, total she got 20 minus correct answers. And here we have negative number is bigger one. So that is the reason minus 16 will come. And how many marks she is going to lose for wrong answer? Minus 2 marks. So she written minus 16 wrong answers. Minus 16 marks she got for incorrect answers, nothing but wrong answers. Means how many questions? For one question I have to lose 2 marks. Then for one question I'll lose 2 marks. Then how many questions she lose 16 marks here, right? So minus 16 divided by minus 2. 2 8s are 16. So divided by minus 2 is equal to 8. She written wrong questions 8. She written wrong 8 questions. That's what it is given here. Now in the same way we'll try to solve this one also. Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this test. Though she has got 7 correct answers, how many questions she attempted incorrectly? So For correct answer, you'll get 3 marks, and for incorrect answer, you will get minus 2 marks. Sorry. And now Mohini's score is minus 5 marks. And how many correct questions she written? 7. So 7 3s are 21, because she got 7 correct answers. Each question carries 3 marks. So that is the reason she got 21 marks for it. Now we have to find out wrong questions, how many she has to read. So total marks minus 5, minus 21, minus 26. And of course we already know that each question carries minus 2 marks for every wrong answer. And 2 table when we'll get 26, 2 1s are 2, 2 minus 2 0, and 6 will come down, 2 3s are 6. And she attempted wrong questions 13. That is the reason she got minus 5 marks in the test. Even though she got 21 positive marks, but because of wrong answers, so many she written, because of that reason she lose those many marks in the test. Okay, now we'll move on to the last question of this chapter, students. So we are going to complete this first chapter. And now we will see what is the question here he given to us. An elevator describes into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meters? Okay students, so descent is nothing but the elevator is going. I think you all know that mines are there underground only. So that is the reason it is going to take that much. And what he given here very clearly is, it is 10 meters. Actually it starts from 10 meters above the ground level. Okay, let me write this top points first. Elevator starts at 10 meters above the ground level and finally it reaches, or final destination we can also call, is 350 meters below the ground level. And actually it started above the ground level by 10 meters. That means we have to even subtract that, then both are in the same, so that is the reason we'll get both are having same symbol, minus. So then we'll go for addition. 350 plus 10 will become 360 meters. So, and here asking how long time it is going to take. Okay, so the time here he given is 6 meters for 1 minute, and 360 meters for how many minutes, right? We just need that only, no? Now time taken by the elevator is equal to minus 360 meters divided by minus 6. So 6 60s are 60 minutes. 60 minutes is nothing but how much, students? Yes, 1 hour. So if it has to reach the ground level of below the ground level of 350 meters, if the elevator is going to take 1 hour time to reach its destination, how long journey it is going to travel? Elevator, I think you all know, it is nothing but a simple lift. Okay, actually we all know that the elevators are going to be in the above the ground level only. We don't know that will go below the ground level, but whereas in the mines we have to get all the mines from the ground level down, below the ground level only we'll get. So that is the reason we have Singareni collieries and all those things are belongs to this category itself. So to do all these things, the persons has to go down to those many meters down the earth, down the ground level. They are going and they are getting each and everything. Okay, the same thing it is going to take. So here according to his question, it is going to take 1 hour time to reach 360 meters below the ground level. Okay students, successfully we completed first chapter which belongs to our 7th class, and now tomorrow morning in tomorrow's class we are going to start second chapter. Okay students, meet you tomorrow. Bye everyone, meet you tomorrow.